the German version. Yeah.
Shush.
Yeah.
Shush.
Steph, we don't have to be quiet. Okay? It's not a library.
But
You having a burp contest with root beer?
I'm trying to.
Wow.
I don't let them do it with champagne anymore.
Shake up a beer and chug it.
No, go ahead. Go
We
ahead.
need beer in a
You're not
can, really.
belching.
It's
Yeah.
a shot glass.
That's okay. It takes a while to formulate the burp.
Go ahead and drink, Steph. Shut up.
Down it.
God, that's hot.
So here's a question for you. We're watching her drink or watching her butt?
He's like,
I'm watching with both hands.
Oh,
but
I
something
kicked your ass on that round.
I didn't hear it.
What the fuck's wrong with you?
Talking to Ian.
Shut up.
See?
Oh!
Oh! Game on!
Round
Oh,
one.
you suck.
It's on, bitch!
Okay, I'm gonna hold on here.
Yeah, you need to hold on.
And I'll dance like this.
Use both hands, Steph. Hey, Steph. Put your thumb over the top of it and shake it a little bit and get that combination going.
Dude, if you want in bed, I can help you with that in some other room.
I said a little bit. Keep the thumb over.
I was thinking.
Oh my god, I'm totally
Now hurry, drink! Don't waste it, you dummy!
No, more! More!
Oh, wait.
No!
I totally beat you!
I know! That was bad form.
You knew that was good. That form. Oh!
I'll go, my dear. We need champagne. I'm sorry, we need champagne.
Oh.
Just smaller bottles.
Hold on. Watch my seat. Don't let nobody sit there. Sit there, dude. Take your head.
Fuck you, Angel Horse. You
Okay, round two.
I totally beat you, bitch!
Are you filming this?
Oh my god!
Hell yeah!
Oh my god! My name is Bob Smith and I work for McDonald's! Come on!
Oh, just a minute! Just film
Uh-oh.
So,
I can film it on my shirt.
and you got huge tracks of land on your shirt.
Okay,
Steph.
oh, Aaron. Oh no, is that the? Oh, we fleeced that. Oh, fuck it over.
You five-fingered that? What did she
We
say?
fleeced it from the parasites.
What?
That's a long story. They suck. I hate them, and they left.
We're having a burping
Over
contest.
here.
We won the last
Do you see the gentleman with his goatee braided?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
little short one. I hate him.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
And his
so
wife.
why was
Then
he
why was he
invited?
here?
Sparkling.
Sparkling?
Yeah.
Not actual alcoholic?
Well, we were gonna
It's
troll them,
Monte,
but
California
then they
sparkling wine.
Wente?
So it's like
It's a good vineyard.
Aaron.
Yeah or nay? It's okay.
It's your call.
no, just tell
Hey,
them no.
Virgin.
I can drink anything.
Yeah, but
I'm
will you
crazy.
get sick? I'll be
I don't
fine.
care.
No,
I
you
haven't
will be
died
the
yet.
one that's freaking sick, man.
I haven't died yet. We had a bottles each this
I haven't died yet.
Well, last time,
That is
both
a
did.
great
We
point
had
of
some big
argument.
bottles.
like twice as big as that, and we each had our own bottle.
It was awesome. I won.
You guys were damn
Go
near
for it.
dead, too.
You're winning thus far.
Drink. I know I'm winning. I'm giving you a chance to win.
No, you don't understand. I'm bugging
Oh,
you. It's not for you.
Oh, he done it for me.
Is that champagne?
yeah, pretty much.
Fake champagne.
This is the beginning of the end.
Yep.
Pretty soon she's gonna crumple.
She's gonna be praying to like the porcelain gods. Oh,
God damn it! I
let me show you how
know.
it's really done.
I know.
You know, it's like the '73 Olympics. You know, just nobody really cared.
You stay there, right there. You stay right there, because I can fall on you.
And it's okay.
That wasn't much better.
2 in a row, you can't beat that.
Oh, dude.
Okay,
Whoa!
fair enough.
Oh,
Jesus Christ! Oh, man.
and I have to sleep next to you.
I like this song.
I don't know if I want that.
I'm 3 for 3, lady.
Okay, you're winning.
Do you want to keep going?
Yes.
You're gonna lose.
It's okay. Caitlin's trying to film this. She probably
Oh,
wants
I'm
to see
sorry,
something more
Caitlin,
than
yes,
your-
And I'll say again, my name is Bob Smith. I work for
Scott.
McDonald's.
No, I work for a very big pharmaceutical company called Amgen, and I'm supposed to be good.
And
Fuck
her
that.
name is Susie Lou.
Horse shit!
I'm trying to give her some anonymity when she gets on the internet, you know?
Who won?
So far, Friedley.
3 for 3, man.
You better take it.
I'm working on it, do you mind?
Alright, take
Chug
a
it.
sip.
Chug, 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 chug.
There's only one more round in there.
I know this song!
Tears
That
for
doesn't
Fears,
make a
change.
difference. Drink your alcohol.
Tears for Fears, change.
I know, that's why it's on the CD.
Hurry up, I gotta take a leak.
Hey, puppy.
Don't burp
I
right
love
away.
this
Just
song.
like jump up and down a little bit.
I'm gonna step over here just in case she
Yeah, shake it up.
doesn't contain
No, I did
everything.
that once. And then she,
She's like,
Vomit.
no, it went all over the place.
no, but she was like,
That was awesome. Shake it up a little bit. She shakes it up like a $5 hand job.
and I got sprayed in root beer.
Yeah, you did.
I'm surprised it didn't get all over Caitlin.
Yeah, get all over you. Right here.
Is she cooler?
Oh hell, double dipping. We won't see her again until tomorrow.
Yeah, she's gonna be done here in a minute.
Fuck, that sucked!
Watch out, Pig's toes are right there.
You gotta move your own toes.
Are your toes alright, dude?
Alright, here we go, here we go.
I already dropped the damn hookah on it.
Thank you.
You know that little
Come on, Steph. I'm
tobacco
trying to
thing
help you
smoke?
out.
I know, baby.
Okay.
I'll let you.
Steph,
She's
do
gonna.
you need to sit for this? Okay, you need to stop drinking after this.
Yeah.
Officially.
Yeah.
Right,
Done.
because I'm drunk and you're diabetic, love.
Steph, just stop. Just stop. You're
Okay,
done.
I
You're done.
lose.
Tap out and go back to the
I
dressing
don't
room.
want to tap out, but I'll
Tap out.
I'm tapping out!
You're done.
I finally
wins.
won. I finally won.
So
I don't want to tap out!
I don't want her drinking anymore. She's done.
Not officially.
I don't want to tap out!
I'm done.
It's not. No, I'm
I
having
don't
you
want
hold
to
it.
tap
Well,
out!
hand it to somebody else who wants to drink it.
I
He
just
just wants to
want
drink it. No,
There
you're
you
not.
go.
You're done.
I
You can
want
barely stand up.
I
You're
don't
done.
want to tap out!
That was the last
You're
round.
done.
You won.
See? Done.
I'm on heels.
Sit. Sit in Bill's chair. He'll appreciate it.
Really?
I had to come out. Sorry.
I don't want to tap out.
Steph.
Come on, encore.
I tapped!
Encore.
I
Stop.
tapped!
You're going to spill spirit. Stop.
I guess that was victory
I'm
dance.
sorry.